That is a delicious roasted vegetable Parmesan, not Parmesan. How about pasta Primavera? Hey, I'm Ali Carr. This time on Serve It, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious roasted vegetable pasta Primavera. We're taking delicious roasted vegetables and then all in one pot, a creamy garlic pasta Primavera. It'll take you exactly to Italy. Not exactly, but it'll get you there. Okay, let's round up our veggies. You're gonna use about 1 to 2 pounds of your favorite vegetables. The awesome part, you open up the fridge, this is when you get just to clear everything out. If you've got broccoli or mushrooms or Brussels sprouts that have been hiding, use them in this dish. Today, I'm using red bell peppers, some carrots, cherry tomatoes, asparagus, zucchini, and summer squash. Here I just have a cookie sheet. Use whatever cookie sheet or tray you have at home. You just wanna make sure you get things consistently cut and about the same size. When you're laying out your vegetables on your cookie sheet, make sure you give them some room to breathe. They like their own personal space. That's gonna be the key tip to making sure you get perfectly roasted vegetables. Here's what you're gonna use to season your roasted vegetables: olive oil, Italian seasoning, little garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Now that our vegetables are all covered in the seasoning, we're gonna pop them in the oven, 450 degrees, 20 minutes. Let's go. Our veggies are roasting, but you're gonna love how easy this one pot pasta Primavera recipe is. You're gonna get 12 ounces of your favorite pasta. I'm using rigatoni, it's my kid's favorite. It's what we had in the pantry. Then you're gonna grab water, almond milk. We have our olive oil, garlic, and a little chicken base. All right, let's add our oil to the pan. Let that warm up. All right, let's add our garlic. All right, we've got about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Just give this about 30 seconds, just until it's nice and fragrant. Okay, we've given that garlic a second to get aromatic. Let's add our chicken base. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of our liquids to the pan. Our water, our almond milk, a little stir, our pasta. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Once it's at a full boil, bring it down to a simmer for a couple of minutes. You know, actually, in Italian, Primavera means spring. Ooh, our veggies are done. I'm gonna go grab those out of the oven. Perfectly roasted vegetables for our Primavera. Okay, so once my sauce has thickened up, I'm gonna go ahead and add my protein, as well as some Parmesan cheese and some lemon juice. From the rotisserie chicken, we're gonna use just the breast meat and throw that on in. Then we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. Oh, this is gonna taste like spring. And finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. Give everything a couple stirs, get it all nice and incorporated. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add our roasted vegetables right to the pot. Let's go. Give this a stir. Look at all this color. All right, let's serve up our pasta Primavera. Oh, we've got gorgeous color in those roasted vegetables. Then that pasta is decadent and creamy, all cooked in one pot. Okay, let's give it a little garnish, a little freshly grated Parmesan, and then a little fresh basil. Gives it a little color, gives it a little bit of that aromatic experience. Look at this, all in one pot. You've got loaded with color, delicious fresh ingredients that the entire family will love. Let's dive in. Creamy garlic. The flavor of the roasted vegetables, it's so fresh but comforting all at the same time. As the temperatures get a little warmer, this is a quintessential warm weather meal. Enjoy.